So Brad, maybe let's start with you. What is the news that Unstoppable Domains and OKCoin have?
So OKCoin has integrated blockchain domains for the purposes of sending and receiving crypto in the exchange. And the reason why this is such a big deal is because this is the first time a exchange has supported this standard. This blockchain domain standard, human readable names instead of long crypto addresses, has been widely adopted in the wallet community, but not in the exchange community yet. And if you're a crypto user, you're using both. So you really need, if in order to actually get rid of your long hex addresses, you need exchanges as well as wallets to support this.
Got it. So Haider, maybe let's just zoom out and kind of go backwards first of just like, what is the problem, right? If you guys are implementing this as a solution, what was the problem that you identified and we're trying to solve?
Look, ultimately, we can all agree that the current form of wallet addresses is a poor user experience. I think when these things probably got invented, there was no product manager or user experience person in the room. And they've played their part. And I think it's due time that these things evolve and become better. If we're all about welcoming people who are non-crypto natives, essentially newcomers, we have to take a really hard look at these problems. And the reality is there's so much goodness in crypto in its nature. It's more interoperable than traditional money. So for example, Pomp, if I'm sending you US dollars, I have to send it via a wire transfer. There's no interoperability between banking systems or even consumer fintech apps like Cash App or PayPal. You're kind of stuck in their walled garden, if you will. With crypto, we all know it's pretty easy to send and receive crypto from one wallet to another exchange and vice versa. But the problem, the key friction point has been this long string of address one has to copy and then put into your new sort of place where you want to receive it or send it to a friend. Say I'm sending you some crypto, I now have to send you this long string of address or a QR code. I was never a fan of QR codes either, so maybe this is beef against QR codes. But generally, we want to solve that piece, which is how do we simplify interoperability and bring the best out of crypto in a form that really helps us win long term. And this is not just about OKCoin. This is about everyone involved in this industry. It should be really, really simple and easy to take value, crypto value out of OKCoin into another wallet, whether hardware or what have you, or into another exchange or into another wallet. And that is tough today. That is especially tough if I have to tell one of my friends who's not in the crypto industry to come in and do the same thing. So for example, if a friend of mine started a wallet, I have to send him or her some crypto to get them to get started. And we believe Unstoppable Domains is the right solution to remove that friction, that sort of anxiety-inducing experience that perhaps if I get one string wrong in that wallet address, it might go to the wrong pump and I might never get my money back. And the QR code thing, look, it's better than the long string address, but is it really shareable? Like, are you just going to like text around and message around a QR code? I don't think people are there yet with QR codes. And so with unstoppable wallet addresses, it's as simple as Haider.crypto or Pomp.crypto or Brad.crypto. And now you can send and receive and share that address publicly. It has privacy features. You're not exposing your private key or your public address. So there's a lot of goodness here. And that's the main reason why we wanted to implement this, is ultimately make it really easy for people who are coming in to start using crypto, not just to invest, but also to share among their family and friends, or perhaps use crypto for other economical transactions. Like if you're a freelancer, you want to transact using crypto across the border. So that's the key motivation.